Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right inside Messages. Open a chat and tap the Memoji icon. Choose New Memoji to begin shaping your avatar and pick skin tone, hair, and head shape first. These set the base. As you work, zoom and rotate to check proportions so the face feels right. Once the base looks good, move to eyes, nose, and mouth. Those are quick wins that define expression. Save periodically so you don't lose a step. Now refine the core features. Adjust eyes, eyebrows, nose, and mouth with small tweaks to convey personality. You'll want to add facial hair or makeup only after locking facial proportions, because those elements layer on top. Next, choose accessories, glasses, hats, or earrings to match your style, and toggle subtle age cues like wrinkles or teeth to match likeness. Once done, preview animated expressions. They reveal how the Memoji moves, so you can correct anything that looks off. You're ready to use and share. Tap a Memoji sticker to insert it into Messages, or enable it for FaceTime and camera apps to record with your avatar. Make sure you pick the right skin and lighting settings when recording so colors read properly. Subtle contrast fixes realism. If the Memoji doesn't animate or lags, restart your iPhone and check for iOS updates. Because performance issues are often fixed by an update or a quick reboot, reset the Memoji only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.